In this video I'm going to show you how to play Chansonnette by Stepan Rak, taken from the Trinity Classical Guitar Exam Grade 1. I'm going to play the piece in two different tempos, one in its original tempo and then also a more slowed down version so that you can see what's going on. There will also be some tips and a fun fact, so be sure to stick around. My name is Vinny from Neuzugang, where we're all about learning and well-being. In this specific video series, it's all about Trinity Classical Guitar Exams. If this sounds good, then be sure to check out our website, comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you get a notification when we release a new video, and ask questions. Have fun. Let's do it. This is Chansonnette with 130 ppm. As always, before I'm starting, taking a deep breath to sense myself into the piece. Here we go. And here's a slowed down version with 80 ppm with the metronome. Here we go. 3, 4. Throughout the piece we are playing the open G string with our thumb. Be sure to do that. Tip number 2, when you look at the piece in bars 9 and 14, you see these long brackets going up and closing down again. These are called crescendos and decrescendos, which means when it goes up you get louder and when it closes down you get quieter. Again, it's another important dynamic mark that brings a piece alive, so be sure to include that. Tip number 3, in bar 16 you see another expression mark that says rit. Rit stands for ritardando, and similar to rallentando, which we had in one of the previous pieces, it means slowing down. When you get to that bar, slow down, and then in bar 17 when it says a tempo, it means back to the original tempo. Did you know that chansonnette is French and means little song? Let me know how you get on in the comments. If you have any questions, drop them down there. I'm answering them very soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see you all in the next video.